Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated easy steps on how to delete starred emails using the Gmail app on your phone. If your starred messages have piled up and you want to tidy your inbox, this quick guide will help you handle it smoothly. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the account where those starred emails are located. Next, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this to open the side menu. From that menu, find and tap Starred. This will take you to a list showing all the emails you have marked with a star for easy reference. Now, scroll through your starred emails and locate the one, or the ones, you want to delete. When you find an email you want to remove, simply long press on the message. This means press and hold the email until it gets selected. Once your email is selected, look at the top of the screen. You will see several icons appear, including a trash bin icon. Tap the trash bin, and your selected starred email will be moved to the trash. Remember, moving emails to trash doesn't delete them permanently right away. They stay in trash for 30 days before being automatically removed. So if you want to free up space right away, you can go into the trash folder and empty it manually. By following these steps, you can quickly clear out starred emails you no longer need, helping you keep your Gmail app clean and organized. This is a great way to manage your inbox efficiently and maintain focus only on emails that truly matter. That's all there is to it. Now you can confidently delete those starred emails on Gmail from your phone without any hassle. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.